Welcome from myself to all 2.6 million IMAs in the One Life network, and welcome to this week's State of the Nation, recorded for Thursday, the 3rd of November. For myself, it's been an especially busy week with a 5-day business trip into Hong Kong for meetings with Fernando Raiso, China General Manager, and his team, with in particular preparation work on an Asian business convention planned before the year end. Details to come. And for myself, the opportunity to spend quality time with our new CEO Pablo, who was also in Hong Kong. Even though he has been with us for only a short time, his understanding of the challenges and opportunities for the business was impressive, and he's already focusing the organisation on addressing them. All in all, a great start to November, and it gets better. The business has had a massive increase in the number of product purchases in the last few weeks. Frankly, it's put us under operational pressure as a result. So to give a little breathing space, we decided to extend the monthly leadership rank calculation to Monday, the 15th of November. And for all of you, this represents a huge opportunity for you to achieve a higher rank achievement and gain the rewards associated. Check your leadership rank qualification now and see how you can build on what you already have. Last week was a very special one for the One Life network. The Sharia option within the CoinSafe saving facility of the OneCoin received official recognition. This marked the first officially certified Sharia compliant product within the OneCoin system and is the first Sharia compliant savings product associated with cryptocurrency in general. OneCoin founder and visionary Dr. Ruja Ignatova commented that she is extremely satisfied and proud of the achievement so far, and sees it as yet another step towards banking the unbanked and providing financial services to everyone around the globe. While Dr. Zareen Ahmed added that it's great to know that the company is listening to the needs of all of its members, and the majority of the unbanked population of the world is Muslim. Therefore, it is essential that OneCoin complies with their needs. At an official ceremony in Sofia, Bulgaria, the Sharia option within the CoinSafe saving facility of OneCoin received official recognition. This marked the first officially certified compliant product within the OneCoin system. The certificate was awarded by the CEO of the Al Huda Center of Islamic Banking and Economics, Mohammed Zubair Mughal. Organised by Dr. Zareen Ruhai Ahmed, the meeting was attended by the company management team, who are also informed about the opportunities that such recognition opens for expanding into the Islamic market, which is a key step in OneCoin's development. 21% of the world's population practice the Muslim faith, over 1 billion people globally, and many of these are in parts of the global unbanked. Gaining recognised Sharia compliance is a major step forward for the business, and especially important for our markets in North Africa, across the Middle East, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, along with Indonesia. And of course, many countries have Muslim communities within them. At the signing, Mr. Zubair Mughal stated, "It was an honour for us to certify the CoinSafe product, which is the first Sharia compliant savings product associated with cryptocurrency. We spent almost 2 months finalising the certification process because cryptocurrency is a very new concept in the financial industry. First of all, we had to understand the blockchain technology, what the Islamic guidance on digital currencies is, as well as many other aspects. We believe cryptocurrency can play a great role in providing financial services to the poorer parts of society and overcoming social inequality. We are currently on the road to guiding other OneCoin processes towards becoming Sharia compliant as well." As of Tuesday morning, the split barometer hit 91% and is heading up fast. Not only is the next split any day now, a key opportunity for all members, for those of you who have activated a package code after the 1st of October, the next split will be a super split, which means their promotional tokens will not just split once, but twice. Buy and activate now if you haven't, and remember, the biggest opportunity is to buy a super combo package. May I remind you, after officially introducing the brand new Supreme Trader package, tailored for those members who want to make the most of the One Life offers, This week we're sharing some clarifications about the splits that come with it and some exciting additions. We're proud to present the latest addition to our One Life Network's amazing portfolio, the Super Combo Code. With this special code, you automatically upgrade from a premium to an infinity to a supreme package. This will guarantee a total of 8 splits, which will come as 4 super splits, i.e. you receive all 8 splits within the next 4 times a regular split occurs, 2 each time. This offer makes it easy for members. You only need to make one payment to get the full upgrade sequence, and there's no risk to make any mistakes in the strategy. As a standalone package, the Supreme will give you a total of 7 splits, 3 super splits and 1 regular split, 3 times 2 simultaneous splits and 1 single split. The Supreme includes all levels of One Academy, including the full educational program, extended learning materials and exclusive access to all ongoing updates of the existing program. This unique offer will also provide each member with 1,888 OneCoins, 1,888,888 promotional tokens and 188,000 BV for network bonuses. Please note that this special package is not for resale in Europe. If you have any further questions about the Supreme Trader package, don't hesitate to contact our support team or your upline. Please note that you can only have a maximum of 8 splits. Even with the Supreme package or Super Combo, you can't add more to that. The latest addition to the One Life products portfolio, the MAB, the Mobile App Builder, is a mobile application builder service targeted at public figures, entrepreneurs and business owners. The MAB will enable the growth and expansion of the long anticipated merchant network and will empower them to build their own customized mobile applications from scratch with no programming skills required. The MAB is easy to use and maintain and basically provides a solution for all those millions of small and medium-sized businesses worldwide looking for an affordable way to grow their market. Within the MAB, One Life Network has now the capacity to welcome the merchants into the One family. This product will give an opportunity to networkers to further grow their downline and take advantage of the reward benefits that come from it. A single MAB package will allow an additional max out upgrade, €7,000, while the 7-pack combo gives an additional max out of €35,000. With the potential of this innovative and very useful product, the network will now be able to enter into the next stage of its development. It is vital for the future of this business that we fully comply with our legal and regulatory requirements. A reminder that only the following KYC documents are accepted. For proof of identity documents, we accept national ID card, national passport or international passport. We do not accept residence permits, driving license, donor ID cards, tax ID card, voter ID cards and the like. Do ensure that on the acceptable documents the following details must be clearly visible: a personal photo or personal names, date of birth, document serial number, issuing date of the document, expiry date of the document and issuing authority. If your identity document has no expiry date, then fill in 31.12.9999 in the field expiry date of the ID document on the menu profile, / main information in the following format: date, DD, month, MM, and year, YYYY. Here are some general but not exhaustively compliance requirements for IMAs. Please refer to the relevant terms and conditions and IMA agreement for all requirements. I strongly recommend that you take a shot of these guidelines of what to say and not to say about the business and study them carefully. Each of you, when you talk about OneCoin, One Life, are effectively ambassadors of the business. What you say will be taken as correct. Do ensure that you are. The reputation of this business is critical to our sustainable future. Be compliant. We'd also like to remind you that as per the OneLife Network's terms and conditions, independent marketing associates, IMAs, are not allowed to promote acceptance of the OneCoin cryptocurrency by merchants as a means of payment without prior express written consent of the company. Cross-line sponsorship and any attempt to do the same within the OneLife Network system are prohibited. Cross-line sponsoring means the acquisition of a person or a company already an IMA in another OneLife Network sales line, or that has business relations with the company in the last 12 months. The IMA is entitled to transfer his or her account only with the prior written consent of the company and upon presentation of the purchase and or transfer the contract with a third party, as well as the presentation of an IMA applicant of the third party to the company. The IMA is obliged to notify the company of the intended transfer of its sales structure in writing. IMAs are required to identify themselves as independent marketing associates in all of their business dealings. As a rule, all websites, stationery, business cards, car labels, advertisements, promotional materials and the like shall include the words Independent Marketing Associates of OneLife Network. The Independent Marketing Associate of OneLife Network logo has been designed for this purpose. Reselling of gift codes at a discount price is strictly prohibited and against the company's policy. IMAs can resell gift codes only to his or her own downline. Violation of this policy leads to this that your money will not be returned. We warn you to buy gift codes from a reliable source, and if you have any doubts, contact us at compliance@onelife.eu. IMAs are not allowed to sell goods and or services for competitors of the company. IMAs may not offer products other than OneLife Network products at the same time, in the same place or in the immediate vicinity or the same website, Facebook page or other social media or online platforms. IMAs are also prohibited from recruiting other OneLife Network IMAs for the sale of other companies' products. IMAs are not allowed to use the logo of OneCoin in their promotional materials. They are allowed to only use OneLife Network's IMA's logo. In June 2016, the new corporate identity of the OneLife global community was announced. To become the everyday essential brand for all our members and shareholders, OneLife must continue to build a successful and enduring company with the right tools and resources. To achieve this, all OneLife members must present the OneLife brand in a consistent, unified way that will resonate across the network. To achieve this, we have prepared the official OneLife Network brand guidelines. These guidelines have been developed to familiarise the network with our brand identity and ensure the consistency, accuracy, confidence and purpose of all communication initiatives across all communication channels. The OneLife brand book has one purpose: to help all OneLife members be heard globally by communicating in one voice, louder, clearer and simpler. Do make sure that you adhere to these requirements before you prepare any advertising materials. Check out all of our downloadable materials in the Media Centre. Click on Resources section at www.onelife.eu. The One World Foundation has expanded its partnership with the Child's Dream Association by providing 2 scholarships for high school education. We decided to take part in the Child's Dream High School Scholarship Programme as we'd like to join their efforts to support highly capable individuals in maximising their potential by continuing their education. We believe that education is one of the most important factors for sustained economic development, and it also promotes a culture of peace, tolerance and understanding, and builds a foundation for diversity, human rights and freedom. 2 students, a boy and girl, were selected based on their previous academic performance, moral behaviour and desire to pursue higher education. Our lovely lady is eager to become the best chef in Thailand and should be studying in the Chiang Mai Vocational College. On the other hand, our bright boy dreams of becoming an engineering teacher, and we hope that the Chiang Mai Technical College will give him the right start. The progress of the 2 students will be strictly monitored and evaluated through personal meetings, twice a semester, meetings with their teachers, as well as written reports and reflections. In addition, I'm happy to share that with our help, Child's Dream has managed to expand the impact of the programme. The number of schools receiving supplies has increased from nearly 1,400 in 2015 to 1,516. That's more than the currently 166,000 students and 10,500 teachers who receive school supplies. This is a constant challenge in the business, but do note that accounts are activated only after the payment has been received, not upon sending proof of a payment or any other document. The standard processing time for bank wires is 3 to 5 business days. If a payment has been received after a promotion has ended, the member will not be eligible to receive the promotion. For more information about the payment methods and bank details, visit your backend. We'd like to remind you that in order to activate AutoMining for all packages eligible for this option, you must go into the mining section in your backend and check the automatically mining box. Otherwise your tokens will be not submitted into AutoMining. Starting last Tuesday, the 11th of October at 1200 hours GMT, we started a special promotion for all package codes paid via China UnionPay accounts. For every purchase package, each member immediately receives a 5% cashback to their cash account. For example, if you decide to pay for a Tycoon Trader package worth €5,500, you'll receive €275 back to your cash account right away. Don't miss this amazing offer, as it will only be valid until the next split. Check out our amazing promotions and you can receive free one-code package codes. Get in 8 Infinity packages and receive an Infinity package free. Get 10 premium packages, receive a premium package free. Get 10 Tycoon packages, receive a Tycoon package free. Get 10 Tycoon Plus packages, receive a Tycoon package free. And get 6 premium package, you can also switch and receive 3 Pro Trader packages free. Do note that in order to get the free package or packages, you need to be clear in your communication with the accounting department of the company. In order to receive your promotion, the packages must be ordered and banked all at once. This is a great way to build your business across your team. The free packages are a huge incentive to drive your business. Upgrade your package now. Business at Home, our industry's leading digital newsletter, publishes a ranking of direct selling companies by momentum. That is the scale of digital noise about businesses as reflected by website, Facebook, Twitter, etc. hits, and it reflects at least in part interest and excitement being generated. In the latest stats, OneCoin is 5th, only 2 percentage points behind the leader. But of the top 10, all of them, excluding ourselves, have been established for far longer. We are the newest and we've only just really started. It just shows the growing digital noise about our business. Let's drive it further. The State of the Nation webinar brings you all the latest news from OneCoin and remind you that we also record the State of the Nation in Chinese. Go to www.onelife-sotn.com to see both the English and Chinese recordings. In this business you face daily challenges. I'm sure you have prospects who simply won't believe or accept what you're saying to them. Having people say no is not easy, but every time you have a negative, pick yourself up and move on, for every challenge will make you stronger and better to build a business. This ends this week's recording. Speak to you all next Thursday, the 10th of November.